If you just started dancing bachata and right now you're doing your basic only from side to side, this video is going to be super helpful to you because you can also change the direction of your basic, which will make it not only more dynamic, but you will also look more professional, and I'm sure you're gonna have more fun on the dance floor. And make sure to watch until the end because we are showing you 2 bonuses that will make you stand out even more. So let's start. So guys, the first one and the easiest one is the one that we all know, which is side to side. Let's show it. For this one, we can have the open position in this way or also this way, where we have a little bit more tension. And from here, the men, we start on A, tapping, and with the left, we go to the left in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna show it from this point of view in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can see, this one's pretty easy. We're just going first to the left, the men, and then we're going back to the right, and that's it, and we repeat this one. So let's continue with the next one, which is going to the front and to the back. And for this one, guys, we need to have this hand position because these hand positions mean that we have tension over here, and this way it will be easier to lead and to follow than if we have our hands like this, where we don't have any tension. So let's try it in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's show it from this point of view now. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next one is a square, and in this case we also have our hands like this because we need the tension between us. And first, the leaders, we're going to the left in 1, 2, and now we're guiding to the front. So we go 3, tap. Now we go to the other side, to the right in 5, 6, and to the back in 7, 8. Let's do it more fluently. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. And now from this point of view, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the men and for the women, make sure that you're doing your normal steps. We're only changing the directions, but we're still doing the one with the left if you're a leader and with the right if you're a follower. So as you're seeing in bachata, you don't only need to go to the side, you can also go to the front, to the back, and we can even mix it a little bit by going diagonal. So in this case, we also have this position of our hands having tension, and now we're going diagonal. That means in 1, the men, we're stepping back diagonally in 1, 2, it's staying in place in 2, and now we're going diagonally to the front in 3, and then tap on 4. On 5, we go continue diagonally to the front in 5. On 6, we stay in place. 7, we go back, and 8, tap. So let's do it more fluently in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So to do it in the other direction, we start as well here in the neutral position. Now we rotate our bodies a little bit diagonally like this, and the step starts going diagonally to the back and to the right, the left one in 1, 2 in place, 2, 3 to the front, tap, and then 5 goes to the front, 6 in place, 7 back, and tap. Fluently, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video. Now for the bonuses, guys. The first one, you don't need to be always in the open position like this or like this. You can also be in the closed position like this. You position your hand in this side of her upper back, and you have this connection over here, relaxed, and the followers is having her hand here. This one goes up like this, and we can do all of the steps in this position. So let's try it. First, the basic one in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6 to the front. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, and square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the diagonal one. Go to the back in 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other bonus, guys, is that we can also mix all of these directions. For example, we can start going in the normal one in 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here I can go to the front or to the back, for example, in 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can start with a square in 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can finish with going to the side in 5, 6, 7, 8. So don't be scared, and also try to mix it a little bit and make it more fun. Just make sure, as a tip, to always change the direction in either 1 or 5. You can also do it maybe in the other times, but in this one it will be a lot easier at the beginning. So if we start, for example, like we said, we go first 1, 2, 3, tap, and from here is where I decide what I'm doing next. So maybe a square in 5, 6, 7, 8, and now to the front in 1, 2, 3, 4, to the side in 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more videos that are going to help you a lot, like these ones over here. We hope to see you in the next time. Bye!